you think skipping sleep is no big deal? Think again. Sleep deprivation isn't just about feeling tired. It silently attacks your brain, body, and emotions. In this video, we'll uncover what happens to your mind and body when you don't get enough sleep, from memory loss to heart problems, and why experts now call it a public health epidemic. Sleep deprivation means getting less sleep than your body needs, consistently. The average adult needs 7 to 9 hours of sleep, but globally, over 40% of people sleep less than 6 hours a night. It could be acute, chronic. Both can wreak havoc on your brain and body. After just one night of poor sleep, your brain is already impaired. Focus and attention drop. Reaction time slows down. Your hippocampus stops forming new memories effectively. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision-making and self-control, malfunctions. Emotional regulation collapses. You become more impulsive, moody, and anxious. Studies show you're 33% more likely to make risky decisions after one night of poor sleep. Sleep-deprived brains become more reactive. The amygdala, the brain's fear center, becomes hyperactive, just like in people with anxiety or PTSD. This explains mood swings, increased stress, overreaction to small problems, lower frustration tolerance. Over time, chronic sleep loss is strongly linked to depression and generalized anxiety. Sleep isn't just for the brain, it's essential for the heart, hormones, and immune system. When you don't sleep enough, your blood pressure rises, inflammation in the body increases, the risk of heart attack and stroke goes up, insulin resistance rises, leading to weight gain and type 2 diabetes. Sleep is when your body repairs itself. Skip that, and your system breaks down, slowly but surely. Lack of sleep disrupts critical hormones. Ghrelin increases, leptin decreases. You crave more junk food and eat more at night. It also decreases testosterone growth hormone and messes up your cortisol rhythm. You feel stressed, hungry, and fatigued all at once. One night of sleep loss can reduce your natural killer cells, the front line of your immune defense, by up to 70%. That means you're more vulnerable to infections. Vaccines become less effective. It takes longer to recover from illness. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's a biological shield. Over time, chronic sleep loss can actually shrink your brain. Studies using brain scans show reduced gray matter in the prefrontal cortex, hippocampus, temporal lobe. This can lead to early cognitive decline, trouble learning, even increased risk of Alzheimer's and dementia. Sleep clears out toxic waste in your brain through the glymphatic system. Miss it, and toxic proteins build up. Sleep deprivation leads to more car accidents than alcohol, lower productivity, more workplace errors, poor academic performance, more sick days and burnout. It even affects your appearance, making your skin dull, eyes puffy, and face appear aged. Sleep isn't optional, it's foundational. Here are science-backed ways to improve your sleep starting today. Stick to a sleep schedule, even on weekends. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed. Dim the lights in the evening. Keep your bedroom cool and quiet. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. Get morning sunlight. Exercise regularly, but not right before bed. Even small changes can have massive results. Sleep isn't weakness, it's your body's secret weapon. Protect it, prioritize it, and you'll think sharper, feel better, and live longer. Follow for more videos that decode your body and brain.